Hey everyone! I am going to show you how to completely remove or disable Microsoft Copilot across your Windows 11 system, whether it's the standalone app, the Microsoft 365 version, or inside your Edge browser. First, let's tackle the main Copilot chatbot app. Open up your Windows settings and click on Apps in the left-hand menu. Next, click on the Installed Apps page. Scroll down or search until you find Copilot, open the three-dot menu on the right-hand side and hit Uninstall. Click Uninstall one more time to confirm, and the standalone AI is removed from your computer. If you also want to remove the Microsoft 365 Copilot app, which connects to your OneDrive files, the process is exactly the same. Stay right there in your installed apps list. Find Microsoft 365 Copilot, click the three dots, and hit Uninstall twice to completely remove it. Now, if you just want to turn Copilot off inside your actual Office apps like Word or Excel, open one of those programs. Click on Options at the bottom left, or click File and then Options if you already have a document open. Click on the Copilot tab, simply uncheck the Enable Copilot box, click OK, and fully restart the application. Finally, to disable the Copilot Assistant inside Microsoft Edge, open the browser and click the three-dot main menu in the top right to access your settings. Click on Appearance from the left pane and then select the Copilot and Sidebar settings. From here, you can simply turn off the toggle switches for showing the Copilot button on your toolbar and bottom center, as well as a setting that allows Copilot Vision to view your web pages. And that's all it takes to clean up your system. If this quick guide helped you out today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you're keeping AI enabled or turning it off entirely. Thanks for watching.